There are so many people that hate being on camera, and I'm one of them. But what makes people so scared to do it? I mean, at the end of the day, it's just a camera. It's not a knife or something. I've personally coached hundreds of businesses on getting more clients and sales. And what I found was being on camera was the number one biggest fear for a lot of them, and including myself as well. I don't like it. But something strange happens to your body when you press that record button on the camera. It's literally a physical sensation that goes through your body. It's so weird. I mean, I've been on thousands of Zoom video calls and I'm quite happy to do it. I've been in lots of photos and stuff. But you get this dread that floods over you. Then after you've bumbled your way through making the video, you watch it back and absolutely hate it. You hate how you look, you hate your voice, and then you stop doing any more videos because of that. It's an absolute crazy situation. So the only few things that made it better for me were you just have to do it so many times that it doesn't become a problem anymore. I mean, I personally have had to film hundreds of videos back to back, day after day, until I'm okay with it now. Now I can just switch on the camera and I just don't give a shit anymore. Some of my clients fix the problem by putting a photo behind the camera so it feels like you're talking to someone. I mean, that sounds like a good idea. It could work. So you can try that if it helps. For me, I chose the hard way, rep after rep after rep, until I just got so fed up with it, I didn't care anymore. I think my brain just said, okay, fine, we'll just get rid of this fear now. He's not giving up anyway. I just want to say, if you're struggling with being on camera, you're not alone. Try not to worry about it because the fear will disappear at some point as long as you don't give up. So if you like this video, please check out some of my other stuff on the channel.